Sure enough, the grizzly just wanders out on the beach and just collapses in this black sand, splays out its black leg, and commences to clean his claws. And yeah, I watched him through the binoculars, and his claws were just enormous. And then the strangest thing happened while he's cleaning his claws. The pair of sandhill cranes that I initially had watched, came back along the beach, and they walked right up to the grizzly. They walked almost maybe 5 feet from the grizzly. At this point, the grizzly had put his chin down, went like this, and just kind of laying there. And the sandhill cranes come up to about 5 feet and kind of goes like, almost like, hey, puts his chin back down. And I was like, what is that? It's where I wanted the voice of David Attenborough to tell me, the sandhill crane walks along the beach toward the grizzly. And explain to me what I just saw, because I still have no idea why this, it sounds like a joke. Why did the sandhill cranes approach the grizzly? No idea why. I don't know what the punchline is.